My name is Jemima. I am 39 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Trevor. He is 40 years old. He is a very kind man. Many people tell me I am lucky to have him. This is true. Trevor works hard every day. He has a good job. He always helps me. He loves me very much. He never speaks in an angry voice. We are happy. Our life together is good. We enjoy spending time with each other. We visit our families on weekends. But there is something that Trevor does not know. It is a very big secret. No one knows about it. I feel worried sometimes. It makes me feel alone. I wish I could tell Trevor. I wish I could share everything with him. But I cannot. Trevor thinks he knows everything about me. He thinks we share everything. But he does not know this one big thing. What will happen if he finds out? Will he still love me? Will he be angry, sad? Will he leave me? I want to be honest. But the secret keeps me quiet. The truth is, I cannot stop buying things. I buy new clothes, new shoes, new bags, and new makeup. I want them all. Every time I feel sad or nervous, I go to the shops. Sometimes I buy things online. When the packages arrive, I feel happy. For a few minutes, I forget my worries. But this good feeling does not last long. Soon, I feel very guilty. I know I should not buy so many things, so I start to hide what I buy. I put the shopping bags under our bed. Trevor knows I like to shop sometimes. He knows I enjoy new things, but he does not know how much I buy. He does not know about the hidden bags and boxes. He thinks our money is fine. Because of all my shopping, our debt is getting bigger. We have many bills to pay. At night, when Trevor is asleep, I take out the bills. I look at the long list of money we have to pay. My hands shake. My heart beats fast. I worry about our future. I worry about Trevor. I tell myself every day, Jemima, you must stop buying things. But tomorrow came and I would shop again. Every month, Trevor asked about our money. He trusted me. He believed I handled our bills well. He thought everything was fine. I always smiled and told him, "Yes, Trevor, everything is okay." But nothing was okay. I was not telling him the truth. The debt from shopping grew bigger. I had to find new ways to pay. So, I started opening new credit cards. Trevor did not know. I also borrowed more money. I did not tell my husband about these things. I knew this was wrong. I knew it will hurt Trevor. Trevor believed I was an honest wife. This made me feel very bad. I loved him very much. He deserved an honest wife. One evening, Trevor came home early. He looked tired. He put his bag down. Then his eyes moved to the corner. 3 big unopened boxes sat there. I had planned to hide them later. I tried to stand in front of them. "Oh, these are just some things for the house," I said quickly. Trevor looked at the boxes, then at me. He walked closer and picked up a box. He pulled the tape. Inside, there was a dress with the price tag still on it. Trevor held the dress. He did not look angry. His face became very, very sad. The secret was out. He put the dress back in the box. He looked at the other 2 boxes. Then he looked at me again. "Jemima," he said, How many more are there? Not just here, but everywhere. I could not breathe. I could not move. Tears filled my eyes. I sat down on the sofa. I knew I had to tell him. I began to speak. I told him about the new credit cards. I told him about the growing debt. I told him how scared I was every day. I told him I tried to stop, but I just could not. I told him everything. I waited for him to shout. I waited for him to be angry. I waited for him to leave me. I thought our life together was over. I thought he would hate me. But he just stood there listening. His face was still sad, but he did not yell. He took my hand. "Jemima," he said. "Why? Why did you shop so much?" I tried to explain. I said, "Sometimes I feel empty inside. When I buy new things, I feel alive. I feel happy. But then the good feeling goes away and I need to buy more." He listened to every word. Then he looked into my eyes. "We will face this together," he said. I was so surprised. I thought he would fight with me, be angry at me. But he was so kind to me. He told me I was not alone. He said that we would find a way to fix this problem. He said that we would make a plan to pay back the money. I realized that Trevor was not just my husband. He was my best friend and my biggest support. He showed me that true love means staying even when things are very difficult. We would face our problems together, just as he said. We sat at our kitchen table. Many papers were on the table. These were all the bills. There were bills from different credit cards. I felt very sad. I felt ashamed of what I had done. But Trevor did not say angry words. He just looked at the numbers. We began to make a plan. First, we cut up all the credit cards. Then, we made a budget. A budget is a plan for how to use money. We wrote down all our income. We wrote down all our expenses. We saw how much money we needed to pay each month. The debt was very big. It would take a long time to pay it all back. Sometimes when I felt sad, I still wanted to go shopping. But then I remembered my husband's sad eyes. I knew I had to be honest now. Trevor saw that I was trying, but it was still a big fight for me. Week by week, I felt a change. Now, when I felt sad, I did not go to the shops. Instead, I called Trevor. We talked about my day or his day. Talking helped me feel less alone. The debt was still there. But now we faced it together. We know we will finish it one day. Trevor and I became closer than before. We spent more time together. We talked about our future. We shared our feelings. We learned that happiness does not come from buying new things. It comes from being together and sharing life. Sometimes it was hard to say no to things, but we did it. Trevor was always there for me, and I was there for him. I felt thankful for Trevor. His kindness and his love helped us through everything. Today, Trevor is still my husband. He is also my best friend. He is the person I love most in the world. We are still working to pay off the money we owe. It is a long journey, but we are doing it together. This is my story. It is a story about second chance. Trevor gave me that second chance. His love helped me heal. I am a different person now. I am more honest and truly happy. If you like this story, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.